Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Beyond, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called Wake Settings and tap on it. And here we have screen timeout. Select it, and now you should see the list of durations. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 seconds, as you can see. Select the duration you like, for example, 5 seconds. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off after 5 seconds of inactivity, so right about now. Yeah. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.